DepEd to focus on the basics reading and mathematics or arithmetic in order to solve the serious learning gaps among school children who were locked down and learned remotely for 2 years of the pandemic. The Department of Education, DepEd, wants to focus Magandang araw po mga kaguro. DepEd to focus on the basics reading and mathematics or arithmetic in order to solve the serious learning gaps among school children who were locked down and learned remotely for 2 years of the pandemic. The Department of Education, DepEd, wants to focus on the basics reading and mathematics or arithmetic. Lawyer Michael Poa, DepEd spokesman, said the department has been undergoing an assessment of the learning competencies of kindergarten to grade 10 students, as well as a curriculum review, noting deficiencies in reading competencies among grade 1 students. We are really geared towards having in-person classes, because we really saw that it is beneficial to have interaction between students, and physically being in class, and physically being monitored and taught by our teachers, Poa said. Not just reading. Also, math. We are really falling behind, Poa said. Affected are the grade 1 learners. This is our main focus now, in terms of reading, mathematics. Since we are currently doing the K-10 review, what we plan to do is to decongest our current curriculum, go back to the basics, and really focus on those areas, Poa said. And of course, included there is to really train them, our teachers, in terms of teaching reading and mathematics, Poa said. We can always change the curriculum, but when it comes to the teachers, we also have to focus our attention, so that they are also prepared to teach these basic skills. They do need training, Poa said. In fact, we are about to launch a national reading program to address those who are really having difficulties in learning reading and mathematics because they have had no school interaction and have not learned reading in the company of their peers, Poa said. We have already formed a TWG, a technical working group, to solidify a national reading program. The mathematics part is also in the pipeline. And we want to do the same, we want to replicate a national program for mathematics, he said. Maraming salamat. At kung ikaw ay interesado ng mga bidyong tulad nito, mangyaring suportahan ang channel na ito, sa pamamagitan ng pagpindot ng like, pag-share ng mga video at kung bago ka pa lang sa channel na ito, please subscribe sa channel na ito at pindutin ang notification bell at piliin ang all, upang maabisuhan ka para sa mga paparating pang mga videos.